अंग्रेजी में सवाल जवाब करना सीखें। क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स 100 डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। तुम रोज कब उठते हो? When do you wake up every day? When do you wake up every day? मैं रोज 6 बजे उठता हूँ। I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. तुम कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? मैं भारत में रहता हूँ। I live in India. I live in India. तुम क्या काम करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मैं एक छात्रा हूँ। I am a student. I am a student. तुम अंग्रेजी क्यों सीखते हो? Why do you learn English? Why do you learn English? मैं बेहतर बोलने के लिए अंग्रेजी सीखती हूँ। I learn English to speak better. I learn English to speak better. तुम रोज कैसे पढ़ाई करते हो? How do you study every day? How do you study every day? मैं रोज ध्यान से पढ़ाई करता हूँ। I study carefully every day. I study carefully every day. वह कहाँ काम करता है? Where does he work? Where does he work? वह एक ऑफिस में काम करता है। He works in an office. He works in an office. वह रोज क्या खाता है? What does he eat every day? What does he eat every day? वह घर का खाना खाता है। He eats home food. He eats home food. वह स्कूल कब जाता है? When does he go to school? When does he go to school? वह सुबह 8 बजे स्कूल जाता है। He goes to school at 8 a.m. He goes to school at 8 a.m. वह मुझे क्यों पसंद करती है? Why does she like me? Why does she like me? क्योंकि तुम अच्छे इंसान हो। Because you are a good person. Because you are a good person. वह अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलती है? How does she speak English? How does she speak English? वह धारा प्रवाह अंग्रेजी बोलती है। She speaks English fluently. She speaks English fluently. तुम रोज कितनी बार व्यायाम करते हो? How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? मैं हफ्ते में 3 बार व्यायाम करता हूँ। I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week. तुम किसके साथ काम करते हो? Whom do you work with? Whom do you work with? मैं अपनी टीम के साथ काम करता हूँ। I work with my team. I work with my team. तुम कितने बजे ऑफिस जाते हो? What time do you go to the office? What time do you go to the office? मैं सुबह 9 बजे ऑफिस जाता हूँ। I go to the office at 9 a.m. I go to the office at 9 a.m. वह रोज किससे बात करता है? Whom does he talk to every day? Whom does he talk to every day? वह अपने दोस्तों से बात करता है. He talks to his friends. He talks to his friends. तुम किस चीज से डरते हो? What do you fear? What do you fear? मैं असफलता से डरता हूँ. I fear failure. I fear failure. वह किस विषय को पढ़ाता है? Which subject does he teach? Which subject does he teach? वह गणित पढ़ाता है. He teaches mathematics. He teaches mathematics. तुम रोज कितना समय पढ़ते हो? How much time do you study daily? How much time do you study daily? मैं रोज 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करता हूँ. I study for 2 hours daily. I study for 2 hours daily. वह अपना काम कैसे करता है? How does he do his work? How does he do his work? वह अपना काम ईमानदारी से करता है. He does his work honestly. He does his work honestly. तुम किस तरह का संगीत पसंद करते हो? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? मुझे शांति भरा संगीत पसंद है. I like peaceful music. I like peaceful music. वह रोज किसके लिए मेहनत करता है? For whom does he work hard? For whom does he work hard? वह अपने परिवार के लिए मेहनत करता है. He works hard for his family. He works hard for his family. तुम सुबह किस चीज से शुरुआत करते हो? What do you start your morning with? What do you start your morning with? मैं पानी पीकर शुरुआत करता हूँ. I start my morning with water. I start my morning with water. तुम रोज कितना पानी पीते हो? How much water do you drink daily? How much water do you drink daily? मैं रोज 2 लीटर पानी पीता हूँ. I drink 2 liters of water daily. I drink 2 liters of water daily. तुम किस समय नाश्ता करते हो? At what time do you have breakfast? At what time do you have breakfast? मैं 8 बजे नाश्ता करता हूँ. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. तुम रोज किस ऐप का इस्तेमाल करते हो? Which app do you use daily? Which app do you use daily? मैं रोज WhatsApp इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. I use WhatsApp daily. I use WhatsApp daily. तुम किस विषय में रुचि रखते हो? Which subject are you interested in? Which subject are you interested in? मुझे अंग्रेजी में रुचि है. I am interested in English. I am interested in English. तुम रोज किससे बात करते हो? Whom do you talk to every day? Whom do you talk to every day? मैं अपने परिवार से बात करता हूँ. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. तुम किस जगह काम करते हो? Which place do you work at? Which place do you work at? मैं ऑफिस में काम करता हूँ. I work at an office. I work at an office. तुम किस तरह का खाना पसंद करते हो? What type of food do you like? What type of food do you like? मुझे घर का खाना पसंद है. I like home cooked food. I like home cooked food. तुम रोज किस पर भरोसा करते हो? What do you trust every day? What do you trust every day? मैं मेहनत पर भरोसा करता हूँ. I trust hard work. I trust hard work. तुम किस उद्देश्य से पढ़ते हो? For what purpose do you study? For what purpose do you study? मैं ज्ञान के लिए पढ़ता हूँ. I study for knowledge. I study for knowledge. वह रोज किस वाहन से जाता है? Which vehicle does he use daily? Which vehicle does he use daily? वह बस से जाता है. He uses the bus. He uses the bus. वह किससे सलाह लेता है? Whom does he take advice from? Whom does he take advice from? वह अपने शिक्षक से सलाह लेता है. He takes advice from his teacher. He takes advice from his teacher. वह रोज कितनी देर पढ़ता है? How long does he study daily? How long does he study daily? वह रोज 1 घंटा पढ़ता है. He studies for 1 hour daily. He studies for 1 hour daily. वह किस कारण खुश रहता है? For what reason is he happy? For what reason is he happy? वह अपने काम से खुश रहता है. He is happy with his work. He is happy with his work. वह किस दिन आराम करता है? Which day does he rest? Which day does he rest? वह रविवार को आराम करता है. He rests on Sunday. He rests on Sunday. वह रोज किससे संदेश भेजता है? Whom does he message daily? Whom does he message daily? वह अपने दोस्त को संदेश भेजता है. He messages his friend. He messages his friend. वह किस तरह निर्णय लेता है? How does he make decisions? How does he make decisions? वह सोच समझकर निर्णय लेता है. He makes decisions wisely. He makes decisions wisely. वह रोज किस बात से बचता है? What does he avoid daily? What does he avoid daily? वह आलस्य से बचता है। He avoids laziness. He avoids laziness. वह किस लक्ष्य पर काम करता है? Which goal does he work on? Which goal does he work on? वह सफलता के लक्ष्य पर काम करता है। He works on the goal of success. He works on the goal of success. वह रोज किस समय घर लौटता है? At what time does he return home daily? At what time does he return home daily? वह शाम 7 बजे लौटता है। He returns home at 7 p.m. He returns home at 7 p.m. हम किस काम को प्राथमिकता देते हैं? Which work do we prioritize? Which work do we prioritize? हम जरूरी काम को प्राथमिकता देते हैं। We prioritize important work. We prioritize important work. हम रोज किस नियम का पालन करते हैं? Which rule do we follow daily? Which rule do we follow daily? समय का नियम मानते हैं। We follow the rule of time. We follow the rule of time. हम किसके साथ भोजन करते हैं? With whom do we eat meals? With whom do we eat meals? हम परिवार के साथ भोजन करते हैं। We eat meals with family. We eat meals with family. हम रोज किस पर ध्यान देते हैं? What do we focus on daily? What do we focus on daily? हम अपने काम पर ध्यान देते हैं। We focus on our work. We focus on our work. हम किस समय पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं? At what time do we start study? At what time do we start studying? हम शाम 6 बजे शुरू करते हैं। We start at 6 p.m. We start at 6 p.m. वे रोज किससे सीखते हैं? Whom do they learn from daily? They learn from daily. वे अपने अनुभव से सीखते हैं। They learn from their experience. They learn from their experience. वे किस तरह का समय बचाते हैं? How do they save time? How do they save time? वे योजना बनाकर समय बचाते हैं। They save time by planning. They save time by planning. वे रोज किसे मदद करते हैं? Whom do they help daily? Whom do they help daily? वे जरूरतमंदों की मदद करते हैं। They help the needy. They help the needy. वे किस कारण सफल होते हैं? For what reason are they successful? For what reason are they successful? वे मेहनत के कारण सफल होते हैं। They are successful due to hard work. They are successful due to hard work. वे रोज किस जगह जाते हैं? Which place do they go to daily? Which place do they go to daily? वे रोज दफ्तर जाते हैं। They go to the office daily. They go to the office daily.